would like to summarize what Vrishali has said. Very, very simple action points is what she has suggested. Can you just probably summarize? That will be great from my side. That all the case studies which we discussed today, can you just give me a brief summary as to what is that exactly a HR consultant can bring to the table and how they can make the lives of the organizations smooth?
Here, I would summarize in a way that, when there is a problem statement, there is always a solution. So, once you are clear about the problem statement, it is very easy to reach to the solution. So, as a HR consultant in Regatta, what we do is we always start with identifying the problem statement. We never jump onto the solution at the first day. We first sit with the client, we understand what is the problem solution. And if you have seen, or whoever is watching our podcast will be able to identify that employee engagement, retention, HR audit, and clear communication with some training and development is very much beautifully working for all kinds of organization, be it 500 employees, be it 150 employees, or be it 10,000 employees. The only thing is scope of work is widened, the employees are more, and you probably need a digitized solution in a different way. But everything is lying around this.
Around these 5 points.
Yes, these are the 5
Fantastic,
points.
fantastic. Thank you so much, Vrishali. It was great talking to you. And seriously, today, people do say that I've got so much of experience in this, but it doesn't come out. But today, I was deep gratitude to you.
Thank you, Gayatri. I mean, it was an amazing podcast. I enjoyed a lot, and yeah, you actually asked questions which helped me in giving a clear answers and all. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you. Nice knowing you in a different way as a podcaster. Thank you so much.
And yes, Vrishali, where do we find you?
You can reach out to us on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn page is Vrishali Moe. Then you can visit our website www.regattahrservices.com, and you can email me on info@regattahrservices.com.
So we'll just share this phone number and the company website in the description. Do connect with her because all your problems solution is Vrishali. Thank you.